just gonna say to everyone, I apologize to the Filipino Americans, especially what really happened in the time in U.S. election. My parents voted. My parents did not endorse Donald Trump. Oh, because I know Donald Trump is going to deport Filipinos. That's the reason. You remember I was told by Kuya Percival and Ate Mirsol, Donald Trump is going to deport Filipinos. At least it never include Teacher Gio, Teacher Kel. I know I'm really apologize. And even I apologize to the Venezuelans who were my friends there in TikTok live. And I apologize to the Filipino Americans in the US. Even to Uncle J.D. Valentino that I endorse Donald Trump. You know what? I know Donald Trump who's responsible of who capture Nicolas Maduro. Even that same as Bangag, Bongbong Marcos, who capture Rodrigo Duterte while he was in the air when he was arrived here in the Philippines. When he was arrived here in the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte was being arrested by ICC with the cooperate with the Philippine National Police and CIDG. And even with the cooperation by Interpol by Bongbong Marcos. Remember, like I said, Trump never again, Marcos never again. And I was being scammed by Donald Trump. I was being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. You see, I will never forget the past of Donald Trump who assassinated Qasem Soleimani. I will never forget that the past of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. who massacred the Jabida massacre. Hundreds of Filipinos who were Muslim, Shia and Sunnis. They were massacred by Donald Trump, especially the assassination of Ninoy Aquino. Remember, I condemn the U.S. Airstrike in Venezuela. And it was the involvement of Bongbong Marcos and Donald Trump. I'm sorry for everyone. I know I understand Midnight 123, my American friend. Donald Trump should be responsible for attacking Venezuela. Remember, when the U.S. attacked Venezuela, it's a violation of international law. When you capture Nicolas Maduro, that's a violation against international law. Remember, violating. Do you see, for example, like I was told by Luis Cabales, like China and the West Philippine Sea, it's not really a violating, but it's really, I don't know what's going on anyway. But remember, this is really happening in the Philippines about this is really happening about in Venezuela. Oh, when they arrest Nicolas Maduro. And perhaps, why not Elon Musk should be installed as a president of the United States instead of Donald Trump? You know, like I said, Donald Trump is a weak leader. He's just like Bongbong Marcos, weak leader. Supposedly Elon Musk could be Make America Great Again. Is this a Make America Great Again? Donald Trump? Is this what Make Philippines Great Again? Bongbong Marcos? Huh? Both of you? You do not know what's really happened. I know it's really condemned of what happened in Venezuela.